Lesson 21. The semiquaver and the dotted quaver. A semiquaver looks very similar to a quaver, but it has two tails. A semiquaver is only a quarter of a beat long, so 4 semiquavers make 1 crotchet. When 2 semiquavers come together, the tails join up, so you have 2 beams in between them. Here is Listen to the Mockingbird. This tune is for right hand only. Here is Incoming Tide. This is marked lento, so it is quite slow. The dotted quaver. A dotted quaver looks just like a quaver, but it has a small dot just to the right of the note head. It is held for 3/4 of a beat. Here is An English Country Garden. Here is the Bridal Chorus. It is marked maestoso, which is the Italian term for majestically, so play it quite slowly and quite sedately and quite firmly.